This is the View Center page where you can see a list of all the centers within the system. Quickly, just to show you, on the right you've got a few stats, which center has the most logins, so it will list, say, the most active centers, so you know who's using the system the most, and also a user count, which lists all the amount of users within each section. So obviously on the left we have the list of centers. It's quite large, so if you just want to quickly search for a center without going through it, you could, say, for example, type in Elmwood, and it will filter through and give you all the schools that contain Elm, and it also gives you a list as you're typing. So for example, the Streatley Academy would bring up the Streatley Academy. If we just unfilter that, you can order by center name, for example, ascending and descending, order by the total amount of users, or the amount of logins that the center has. So the options on the right here, for example, on Abbey Primary, we can edit this center, which will bring up a pop-up. You can change the name, for example, change their email extension, change what type of school it is, so what access they have to those particular sections, and if they've paid for protected services. It also gives you some details here of the total users, total logons, and the last login, and then you can go ahead and click save. I won't, because that school is set up already. You also have, obviously, delete a center. We already have a test one in here, I think, so we delete that one. Hit the delete icon. It'll give you a prompt to make sure this is what you want to do. Yes, delete this center, and that is now removed from the system. Also, just a quick note, in terms of type, it will tell you what type they are. If there is a multiple type, it will say multiple and tell you what, if it's early years or primary, or what type of establishment that is.